Okay guys, so me and my brother are working on a little project here. We're going to be building a furnace, a propane furnace to be smelting some metals and messing around. So we got 14 of these I believe, and we have 28 of these fire brick. Then we have the sealant, fire block sealant, and we got some mortar here. And we're going to go out and get some base blocks and build up a furnace. Alright, so we're kind of working in the cold, so we wanted to warm up the metal here. So we left the fire going and let it ash itself out here. So we have some power grip that we're going to use. We're going to grind down the surface around here after we clean this up. And then we're going to apply this stuff and then put our bricks to that to hopefully hold them into the metal and see what happens. Alright, so we're going to drill this out again. You see that this is... You think you can weld this? You're going to leave it? Alright, yeah, I think that's not a bad idea actually. We could let some air in through that too. So yeah, we're going to drill some holes out of that. Alright, so we don't have a drill, but we got... You can hammer it out. Yeah, that's definitely one. Yeah. Right underneath all that crud that you can't get off. Just put it right on top of that. There you go. Yep, there's a hole right there. Alright, I think that's more than we had before, so... Is it still on the pipe right there? As long as we don't go outside the diameter of the pipe.
Yeah, everything's in the pipe.
Okay, yeah, I think that's enough. Sweet. Because now there's going to be no metal dripping through there anymore. Alright, now for a grinder. Yeah, that looks good to me. Now get over there.
Don't blow it all out.
Alright, so this is going to be the way we lay out the first layer. So we're going to lay the caulk stuff down and then lay them in. Here's what I'm liking this one. Which is two. Here's the last one. Crazy. That probably does work. I need to microwave now. Did I get it? Nice. That's satisfying. Here's the hammer. Okay, okay. Push down. Nice. One more. Here's it on the table. Okay. Flash helps. Yeah. No, he's looking for. This is easy to out. Oh, it's not for everything. Yeah, right now. These are still on that. Make sure you piece there. Right there. Yeah, shit on there. Oh, yeah. You know, you can hit it here. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, right there. Here's the corner first. No, you go to the last one. Here's the top. Yeah. Here's this one. Maybe I'm here. What's that 61? Push down. Alright, so it's the next day. I loaded up some wood and cardboard in there, got the fire going. I got the air pump on it. Just trying to dry up and warm up the bricks and the table so that we can continue laying the caulk and stuff that we need to. Then I'll take the top off and lay the fire brick in. Yeah. Alright guys, so there was some missing footage in between some of those shots, but we have the whole thing lined with fire brick, and we're firing it right now the next morning after it's been lined. It's the 26th, I believe, of December. We have the blower on. You can see it shooting out some good flames there, and we left a little exhaust hole up there. I gotta be careful where I place my phone, I don't want it to melt. But yeah, and we got some cracks going on over here. Some heat's coming out, as you can see. So we gotta get some more of that fire mortar, this stuff right here. Get some more of that, line it, and then we're thinking when it's nice out, like summertime, we can actually line this whole thing with mortar and cover up everything and get it all like real mortar, like mix it up and stuff, and cover it up and make it look nice. Build a chimney for it on that side. Yeah, I'll give you guys a shot of what it looks like out here. It's just snowing, and yeah, I'll come back to you with a shot of when we get coal fired in here, and maybe we'll melt some aluminum. Yep. It's not cold now. Put it in the Alright, let me see the crucible. Alright, so this is broken and has a lot of... It's got some shitty aluminum in it, so we're just gonna see what happens, because it's broken and we're just sacrificing it to the forge gods. So he's setting those bricks in there right now. This could be our surface.
Unplug.
I'm not plugging it in. I want to take a video of it while it gets plugged in. I'd space those bricks together.
I'm keeping the bound.
It might tip. Alright. It's not hard. It's hard to see. Let me turn on my flash. Whatever bag was open. There it is. It was literally only a second later, and look at the colors coming out. We're getting greens and blues because of the stuff in the graphite pot. Oh, and the coals, and then also the bricks. Alright guys, so we put some metal in there just to see what happened. My brother's working on a blade. Woo! So we're gonna set up the iron block right there. Gonna finish hammering it into the ground so we can hammer it out. Because we don't want to hammer on that table and shake all the block loose. Alright. So not only can we... Bro, this metal's gonna get hot! Not only are we able to smelt, but we're able to do iron working. So I set up this stump in the ground here, leveled it out. And see, wait, move that, take this off. Solid. Threw some coals on the ground, but is that solid enough? Watch your head by that flame. And the piece is about to drop right in. Push on it, Drew. Yep. There it goes, it's melting now. Yeah, there's nothing underneath there. But it still needs to be in there for a bit. That'd be cool. Alright, so we're going to try to pour what we have. We might have too much to fill this, so we're going to pour it in there, let it cool, then quench it in the water. Hopefully it cools and condenses. We can pull it out of there and re-pour. I guess I'll turn on my flash too because the lighting is poor. Yep. Keep going, keep going. Oh, we didn't have too much. Alright, put it back. Let it heat up. If you can, close it up again. Or maybe put that on top, so it don't burn you by accident. And look, it's burning the shit around. Is it solidified yet? Oh, it's solidifying right now. Let's turn off the flash. You can see how hot that is. Glowing hot. Yeah, that's very clean. All the slag stayed in the thing. And I'm surprised because that's broken. Which means those go a long way. They glass. Poke it. If it's hard, we can dump it. Nope, not hard. Nice! Drop that back in the water. We can recast. That looks really nice. Gearing up for aluminum bronze. See if you can re-pour. You might want to put that in the heat for a little bit and get all this water off of it. Oh yeah, good idea. Heat it up over there. Yeah. So we're just taking all the water off of it, you know. I wouldn't leave it there. Yeah, that's right. Enough water taken out. Alright, so we're gonna pour number 2. Push down that slag. Needs to be hotter. Alright, trying again for pour number 2. We got our first puck up there. That looks like slag. Throw that other piece in. Push what's in there down without breaking it. That's full. Put it right on the first brick, or? How are you doing in between? Seal it up. Put more? I was shaking around what's in there. What a ghetto door. Put that in the snow? Or let that cool for a bit more? Then what we could do is with the good crucibles, we can help a little bit.
Oh, I don't use it. You don't want mixed metals.
Alright, put that in the water. Pull that out, right, Buck? Is that right on top? Yeah, that one came out. Turn it upside down. Yeah, that came out nice. Third pour. Clean some of the flux off, slag, whatever. Nice. Oh yeah, look at the bottom of that thing. See if you can pick that shit out now so I don't ruin the fucking... We'll use this for rough smelting, getting the, because we were doing it with cans, it's got all the shit from the can on it. And then use another crucible to actually melt down the good stuff.